Have you ever wondered what would happen if you committed to just one exercise every single day for a month? And I'm not talking about something complicated or requiring hours in a gym. I'm talking about one of the simplest, most time-tested movements there is, the push-up. A move so basic that it often gets overlooked, and yet, it holds the power to transform your body and even your mindset if you give it a chance. Here's the deal. Push-ups have been around forever, and there's a reason why they're still such a staple in fitness routines, military training, and even professional sports. They work. It's that simple. But most people either underestimate the benefits of push-ups or avoid them altogether. Maybe you think they're boring. Maybe they're too hard at first. Or maybe you don't believe something so simple can really make that much of a difference. But what if you gave push-ups a shot every single day for 30 days? Could this one humble exercise really deliver noticeable results? The answer is a resounding yes. By the end of a month, you'll not only look different, but you'll feel stronger, leaner, and more confident, both physically and mentally. So stick with me, because we're going deep into what happens when you challenge yourself to do push-ups for 30 days straight. Let's start with why push-ups are so effective in the first place. Most people think of push-ups as an upper body exercise, and while they do wonders for your chest, shoulders, and triceps, there's so much more than that. When you perform a proper push-up, you're engaging your entire body. Think of it as a moving plank. Your arms, shoulders, core, lower back, glutes, and even your legs are all working to stabilize your body as you push up and lower back down. And this is what makes push-ups so special. They're a compound movement. Instead of isolating one muscle group, like you would with a bicep curl, push-ups recruit multiple muscle groups at once. This means you're not just building strength, but you're also improving endurance, balance, and even coordination. On top of that, push-ups are accessible to everyone. You don't need a gym, equipment, or fancy workout gear. You just need a little space, some dedication, and your own body weight. It's a workout that fits into any schedule, whether you're at home, in a hotel room, or squeezed for time between work and family obligations. And when you commit to doing them every day, your body starts to respond in incredible ways. Let's talk about what happens during the first week. This is often the most challenging part because your body isn't used to the workload. If you're a beginner or someone who hasn't done push-ups in a while, your muscles are in for a wake-up call. Your chest, shoulders, and triceps will likely feel sore, and you might struggle to do more than a few push-ups with good form. That's okay. This discomfort is part of the process. It means your muscles are being challenged and starting to adapt. At first, focus on quality over quantity. Good form is key to seeing results and preventing injury. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart, your back straight, and your core engaged. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground. Then push back up to full extension without locking your elbows. If regular push-ups are too difficult at first, modify them. Start on your knees, use a countertop for incline push-ups, or slow down the movement to focus on control. The key is consistency. By the end of the first week, you'll already notice small improvements. The soreness will start to fade, your form will get better, and you'll find yourself able to squeeze out a few more reps. It might not seem like much, but progress is happening, and your body is laying the foundation for what's to come. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. By the second week, something amazing happens. What felt like a struggle just a few days ago starts to feel manageable. Your body is adapting to the challenge. Your chest, shoulders, and triceps are getting stronger. And you'll notice that you can do more push-ups without feeling like your arms are going to give out. But here's where things get even better. Your core strength will skyrocket. Because push-ups require your abs and lower back to keep your body stable, you'll start to feel tighter and stronger through your midsection. Your posture might even improve as your core muscles learn to better support your spine. At this point, the changes aren't just physical, they're mental too. Doing push-ups every day requires discipline, and sticking to that routine starts to build mental toughness. You'll begin to feel more motivated, more confident, and more determined to push through the challenge. Third week, this is the point where you'll really start to see a difference in the mirror. By week 3, your arms will look more toned and defined, your shoulders broader and stronger, and your chest firmer. If you've been consistent, you'll notice your muscles looking tighter and leaner. And here's the kicker. Push-ups are one of the most efficient calorie-burning exercises you can do because they work so many muscles at once. Over time, they help boost your metabolism, which means you're burning more calories even when you're at rest. If you combine push-ups with a balanced diet, you'll start to notice fat loss along with muscle definition. Your stamina will also reach a new level. What once felt impossible now feels doable, and you'll find yourself cranking out reps with ease. Everyday tasks like lifting groceries, playing with your kids, or carrying heavy objects will feel noticeably easier, and you'll realize just how much functional strength you've gained. By the time you hit week 4, the results are undeniable. Your body has transformed. You're stronger, leaner, and more confident than you were 30 days ago. Your chest, shoulders, and arms will look more defined, your core tighter, and your overall strength improved. But it's not just about the physical transformation. Completing a challenge like this proves something to yourself. It shows that you're capable of sticking to a goal, pushing through discomfort, and achieving something significant. That mindset shift, the realization that you can improve and grow, is perhaps the most valuable result of all. So, what happens when you do push-ups every day for 30 days? Your body gets stronger, your muscles get more defined, your core tightens, and your endurance improves. But more importantly, you build mental resilience and a sense of accomplishment that can carry over into every area of your life. Push-ups are proof that you don't need a complicated workout routine to see incredible results. All you need is consistency, effort, and a willingness to show up every day, even when it's tough. Here's the thing. 30 days is just the beginning. Now that you've built a solid foundation, you can keep progressing. Increase your reps. Try advanced push-up variations like diamond push-ups, wide grip push-ups, or one-arm push-ups. Combine push-ups with other exercises for a full-body workout. And if you're feeling inspired, I challenge you to start right now. Drop to the floor, do as many push-ups as you can with good form, and commit to improving every single day. Your future self will thank you. If you made it this far, let me know in the comments. Are you ready to take on the 30-day push-up challenge? Hit that like button, share this with someone who needs a little motivation, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next challenge. Now, let's get to work. Drop down and give me 30 days. Let's see what you're made of. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.